Upon opening the SBL8 box, we find the device along with two connectors and the antenna. To configure the SBL8, in addition to the software, we will need a power cable and a USB to LoRa SBL8 converter. We connect the power cable to its connector. We connect the LoRa SBL8 cables to their connector. We connect the USB to LoRa SBL8 converter to the computer. We connect the power. To download the software, we will access our website, specifically the software section. We will search for the LoRa v2.0 software and click on Download. We extract the content of the compressed file. We run the program. We select the current configuration of the SBL8 and the port in which we have placed the USB converter. In this section, we can modify the LoRa SBL8 configuration. In this section, we can modify the LoRa configuration.